One of the cool technique of composition in photography is balance of elements. This technique is a little bit tricky and hard to understand compared to placement of subject and separation subject composition technique. Balanced composition technique requires the correct composition of colors, space, shapes, texture, and areas of light and dark that complement each another. To expertise in this technique, a lot of practice needed. For a well-balanced image, to capture a well-balanced image, we need to capture from different angles, different perspective, and different lighting. Here, an example of image shown which is not balanced, and another example shown which is balanced. Being taken in balanced composition in this shot. Why this example seems balanced? There are three main reasons. Number one, the perspective is different and seems interesting. Number two, lighting is quite amazing. And number three, color combination is pretty good. Important points while balancing images. You have to think about the eye direction of the viewer, think about the colors, space, shape, texture, lighting, perspective, even angle. Another important point to know how to balance a photo, you need to know what attracts viewers' eyes in a photo. Study says that the following elements, the following items attracts viewers' eyes in a photo. Number one, elements, those are in focus. Number two, bright colored spots. Number three, warm colors. Number four, the eyes of your subject. Number five, the direction of subject is looking for, looking at. Number six, saturated items. And number seven, contrast areas.